Hi guys, this week we're going to be making a rock paper scissors game that you can play by yourself, and next week we're going to add more code to make it so that you can choose either between you can play by yourself or play with your friends. Let's get started. So first, let's input the modules. So import random and system modules, and then now we print the name of the game, which is rock, paper, and scissors. Now we have a tracker, so wins equals 0, losses equals 0, and then ties equals 0. This game can actually track all your wins, losses, and ties, so you won't have to keep count by yourself. So while true, we'll do print the string and then percentage sign s. We'll copy this, actually it's easier for me to type. Wins, percentage sign and s, losses, percentage sign and s, and ties, and then percentage sign and then wins, losses, and ties. What this does is it displays the wins, losses, and ties, and then if it changes wins, losses, and ties, it'll change here too. Alright, now let's make the actual game. We'll make an input loop. So while true, print enter your move. We'll do parenthesis rock, parenthesis paper, and parenthesis scissors, and then parenthesis quit or quit. Okay, now we'll do player move equals input, and then if player move equals q, then system.exit. Don't forget your colons. And then if player move equals r, we can actually copy and paste this so it's easier. Or again, if it's r, p, or s, then we break the loop. So this is the player loop where we have to get an input from the user so the system doesn't break. So, and then if they don't do any of those, just place type one of r, p, s, or q. And now we'll do the game display and what the player shows. So if player move equals r, then we'll place print rock versus dot, and we'll do elif now here. Elif player move, so the same thing again, equals p. Don't forget your colons. Oh, speaking of don't forget your colons, I forgot mine here. Print paper versus, and then now we do elif player move equals s, then print scissors versus there. So this will just help the user know what they picked in the actual display. And now we'll do the computer decision. Random number equals random dot rand int 1 to 3, and then if random number equals 1, computer move equals r. Let's do the computer move, and then r, then print rock, and then elif random number equals 2, and computer move equals p, paper, and print rock, paper, sorry. You can just copy and paste this here, but we have to change it to 3 scissors and scissors. Okay, now we'll do the winning and losing combinations. So if player move equals computer move. This means it's a tie, so print it's a tie, and then ties equals a plus equals 1, and then if player move equals R and computer move equals S, then that means you won. So print you win, and then wins plus equals 1. And now we can just copy and paste this 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. So the second one we do, if paper, you will win against a rock, and if you're scissors, you'll win against paper. Okay, don't forget your colons. And then with the third one we copied, we actually put you lose. So you lose against paper if you're a rock. And now we can copy and we can put here loses. And then we can copy and paste 2 more times. And then if you pick paper and then the person picks scissors, you lose. And if you pick scissors and they pick rock, you lose. Okay, now let's start our program. Wins loss 0. Okay, I forgot to change the wins back to 0. And let's repeat the program. Okay, let's say I'll pick rock. I lost. Okay, let's pick rock again. A tie. I'll pick rock again. I won. Okay, let's this other ones. P, paper, tie, S. It's a tie again. Wow. And I'll quit the game. Okay, so that's how you make a rock paper scissors game you can play by yourself. Next week we'll be adding more code, which you can actually choose if you want to play with the computer we made here, or we can also play with your friends. So I hope you enjoy this video and stay curious.